Okay, can I put this spaghetti sauce, the pasta sauce on it?
No.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now you can start putting, do you want to put it around or more? Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
That's
good. Okay, Toma, you do your own. Are you a big boy?
Yes.
りなちゃんとパトリックティネをポック作ってますって。Baba doing good, huh?
Spoon, mommy. Baba have spoon.
Baba have spoon? Yep. Pizza day. Put it all over ね、トムくん。
わかるよ。
わかる？
Let me flash.
はい、じゃあカイカはい。はい、これ好きなものつけてよ。
Tomatoes.
Brush. Yeah, one by one, Kaika. Cheese first. Cheese first? Go get it. It's on the counter. Kaika! You're not eating. Put it on. Yep.
Olives?
Yeah, olives. Okay, Daddy the cheese guy, okay? Everybody give Daddy a job, okay?
I can do
Let me help a little bit.
It's everywhere.
You did good, yeah. Let me help Kaka.
Let me try.
Toma, that's good. That's good.
I got over.
Okay.
I did it all over.
Okay, you can start their stuff. Or pepperoni.
I want cheese. Here, Pepper.
That's all you want on your pizza, Kaka?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it?
3 mushrooms, 3 olives.
How about 10 olives, Kaika? Can you pick 10? 10 olives?
I got 2 olives.
2 olives. Can you get more? You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it going in his mouth? What? Oh. Toma, go start putting the stuff on.
Hi.
Kai, that's it?
Yeah.
Can I help?
Yeah. You want pepperoni on it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here's a pepperoni.
I'm not going to use all the olives to make a circle around this.
Okay, I guess it's gonna take a while, so we'll see later.